All right, we get this question quite often. Can you go fill in the blank to Louisville? Can you go to Chattanooga and do photos? Can you go to Savannah, Tennessee and do photos? Can you go over to Fall Creek Falls area and do photos? Yes, we can. And we're actually doing that today. We're going to, it's going to be over here on the Tennessee River, just south of Savannah, Tennessee. And we quite often go out of state. We have a couple of apartment brokers where they find it's better to just hire us and pay us the travel cost to go out and do a project in Chattanooga, in Louisville, in Lexington, because they are, selling an asset and marketing an asset that they find that they want to trust the photographer. They want to know what they're getting, and we have a good workflow system together, and they don't want to spend time looking for someone else. So that is one way we can help you with long distance projects. Another way we can help you, we are in a network of photographers that we can resource those photographers to do that project for you to our standards, so we can manage that project for you. So if you have an out-of-town, an out-of-state project, we can help you two ways. If it's something that's got to be done quickly, we'll probably just go do it for you. If you give us a little bit of lead time, we can have someone in our photographer network do that for you, and you can trust the level of service and quality and pricing for that project. But it can be done, and we have a system to handle that. We have two systems. We can do it ourselves, or we can work with one of our partnering photographers to help you.